Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this dual voltage travel kettle. This is 100 to 250 volt, 12 ounce portable water boiler. Alright, so right here we have our portable kettle. This one here is offered in 4 different colors. You've got black, green, purple, and white. So this one right here is actually the green. This capacity is 550 milliliters, which is also 12 ounces. This is a super nice kettle. This one here can boil super quickly. The features of this is 100 to 250 volt dual voltage. This is programmable. It is a 304 stainless steel. This is an ultimate travel companion. This electric kettle supports dual voltages for seamless domestic and international travels. It has 4 preset temperatures: 140, 175, 195, and 210 Fahrenheit. This will cater to all your coffee, teas, or any needs for it. It also has a premium stainless steel interior lid and guaranteed for food grade with your water. So here is the spout. So when you're boiling water, you want to open this up. So this one here is super nice. It is not too heavy. It is easy to take with you on the go. This here has a robust seals, ensures no spills even when it's upside down. It has a ventilated sail that prevents accidental spills, so you don't have to worry about it spilling. Right here on the back is for your plug. You can plug this into an outlet and you can get boiled water in just as little as 8 minutes for hot beverages. So this is super compact. The size is 3.2 inches deep by 8.2 inches high, and it is a 12 ounce. So this fits effortlessly in your bag. So inside here, you can see that there is a power cord in this. You get the instructions manual, and it also has a bag of stain remover. So if you have any stains in here, it'll actually remove that, but you don't have to worry about it because this is stainless steel. So there is a power cord, and then here is the stain remover. You get a pouch. Go ahead and stick it in there, boil some water, and it should help remove any stains that you should get. This is about an ounce packet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some water. It does have a max line right here. You do not want to go over that max line. So I'm just going to add some water to it, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and then I'm going to set the temperature and let you see that it does boil really fastly. So once you plug it in, you'll see these 3 little lines. You keep tapping on it to change the temperature. So you got 176, 194, 212, and it goes back down. So if you want to turn it off, just hold this button right here and it turns off. Turn it back on, push the button, and then set the temperature whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and set it for 158. It doesn't take very long. You can see that the temperature will start rising. So now we're at 100, 101, and it's going to go up. And then I'll just come back once we get up a little bit more, and then I'll remove the top so you can see how it boils in this kettle. This is a super nice kettle. It does it really quick, faster than a regular kettle. So right now we are in 127, so it needs to go all the way up to 158. So right here it says open seal tape when boiling water, but be careful because it is super hot. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the top like this, and then just let it. You can see the water in there starting to boil. Then once it boils, I'll go ahead and remove the top so you can see how quickly it boils. All right, so right now we're at 142. We have to go 158. I just removed the top so you can see that it is boiling, and then I'm going to add a little bit more time to go a little bit hotter so you can actually see it boiling. So I'm just click on here on the bottom and turn the temperature. So it boils from the bottom. So the whole thing is super hot. You can see that it's starting to boil a lot more bubbles coming out. Be careful, do not touch this. It is recommended let it boil while it's closed, but I'm doing this for demonstration purposes. I would definitely say this is a really nice travel kettle. If you're looking for a nice travel kettle, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one boils your water in less than 8 minutes, which is super quick. So if you want to make coffee, tea, or even cup of soups, I would definitely say check this one out.